Welcome to our comprehensive review of HashShiny.io, a leading cloud mining platform designed to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned miner or a beginner looking to get started, HashShiny.io offers a user-friendly interface and a range of mining packages tailored to your needs. This platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, allowing you to diversify your mining portfolio. By leveraging state-of-the-art technology and data centers worldwide, HashShiny.io ensures efficient, secure, and profitable mining operations. After signing up on HashShiny.io, you'll find an intuitive dashboard where you can track your mining progress in real time. This transparency makes it easier to analyze performance and optimize your earnings. The platform's advanced mining algorithms maximize efficiency, enabling you to mine crypto without the need for expensive hardware or technical expertise. With HashShiny.io, you're not only saving on costs, but also reducing the complexities associated with traditional mining setups. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. HashShiny.io also provides robust security features, ensuring that your assets and data are protected at all times. The platform is designed to cater to a global audience, with multilingual support and a range of payment options to suit users worldwide. Additionally, the platform offers regular promotions and bonuses, giving users the chance to boost their mining power and earnings effortlessly. For anyone exploring ways to generate passive income through cryptocurrency, HashShiny.io is a reliable and efficient choice. It bridges the gap between professional-grade mining and accessibility for everyday users, making crypto mining simpler than ever. If you're ready to take the leap, this platform offers the tools and support needed to succeed in the ever-evolving world of digital currency. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like for more in-depth reviews and crypto insights.